Thank you for joining us today. I'm Rudy Stebbe, and this is Help Desk TV for Windows 7. Today, in part 5 of our series on backing up your computer, we're going to take a look at some general and network settings that you should be aware of initially. So now that we've got you set up to back up your computer both locally and in the cloud, we're going to take a look at some basic settings to help you manage your backups better. From the main Crash Plan menu, select the Settings menu, and under the General tab, you will see the Backup Status and Alerts panel. Here is where you set how often you will be notified of backup stats. First, by clicking the Delivery Time drop-down, you can select when you can be contacted. Then, the Email Configure button allows you to set how often to send backup status reports and shows you as well where they will be emailed to. You can send a sample report just by clicking on the Send Sample buttons now. Don't forget to click the OK button if you made any changes. Most of the other settings under the General tab can be left in their default setting for the most part at this time. Under the Backup tab, click Frequency and Versions. There, you will see a setting called Remove Deleted Files. As a default setting, if you delete files on your computer, they will obviously no longer be backed up. This setting allows you to adjust when the file will be deleted from the backup. The default setting is to never delete the file from the backup set. Here, you can adjust how long you want to keep the deleted file backed up in your backup set. You can also set when the backups will run, exclude file names from the backups, and set compression and encryption features to customize your backups to your desired taste. If you have only one backup set, then there's nothing left to do here. But if you have multiple backup sets, you will need to set your backup settings for each backup set. Select which backup set you wish to modify in the backup set list at the top, and then make your changes accordingly as we did before. These changes will only affect the selected backup set. Another setting I'd like to point out at this time is under the Networks tab. Here, you can throttle your upload speeds so as not to saturate your upload bandwidth. As you can see, the default setting is set to 300 kilobits per second when away from the computer and 200 kilobits per second when at the computer. Make sure to adjust these settings based on your bandwidth connection so as not to flood your internet connection with your backup and slow down your browsing times. I hope you enjoyed today's Help Desk TV. If you need further assistance in setting up Crash Plan as your backup solution, you can contact us on our support forum here at forums.helpdesktv.ca. Thanks for watching.